real differences between a 2-chamber septic tank and a 3-chamber septic tank. The pros and cons. Hey guys, welcome to Asher and Gad channel, making Africa home again, one family at a time. If you're building a house and nobody has clearly explained what type of septic tank you should install, you're not alone. Most homeowners are simply told, let's do a septic tank, without any explanation of what type it is, how it works, or what the long-term consequences are. But not all septic tanks are the same, right? And choosing the wrong one can shorten the life of your system, damage your drain field, and cost you thousands to fix later. Today, I'll explain the real differences between a 2-chamber septic tank and a 3-chamber septic tank, the pros and cons of each, and how to decide which one actually makes sense for your specific home. First, let's be clear about what a septic tank is supposed to do. A septic tank is not just a pit that stores waste. It's a treatment system. Its job is to separate solids from liquids, allow waste to break down naturally, and then send cleaner water into the soakaway or drain field. Some call it infiltration. The cleaner the water leaving the tank, the longer your drain field will last. And that is where the number of chambers becomes very, very important. Let's start with the 2-chamber septic tank. Images on your screen. In a 2-chamber system, the first chamber does most of the work. Heavy solids settle at the bottom, lighter waste flows to the top, and the bacteria begin breaking the waste down. The liquid then flows into the second chamber where further settling takes place before the water exits the tanks and goes into the soakaway. This type of system is very common, and in many cases it works reasonably well. The main advantages are that it is cheaper to construct, simpler to design, and familiar to most builders. For small to medium households with good soil conditions, it is perfectly acceptable, right? However, there are important limitations, and I want you to really understand this point, guys. The water leaving a 2-chamber tank still contains more suspended solids than many homeowners realize. Over time, those solids end up in the drain field, where they can cause clogging and reduce the system's overall lifespan. This becomes a bigger problem if the soil is poor, the water table is high, or water usage in the house is heavy. In those cases, failures can happen much sooner than expected. Hope that makes sense. Now, let's talk about the 3-chamber septic tank. A 3-chamber system adds an extra stage of treatment for you. You still have the first chamber of heavy solids and digestion, and the second chamber for further settling, but now we have a 3rd chamber that acts as a polishing stage. By the time the wastewater leaves this chamber, it is significantly cleaner than a 2-chamber system. The advantages are clear, guys. You have a cleaner effluent, means less stress on the soakaway, a much lower risk of clogging, and a drain field that lasts far longer. This is especially important for larger homes, high-use households, or properties where repairs would either be difficult or very expensive much later on. A 3-chamber tank is also better suited to poor soil conditions and areas with higher groundwater levels. Okay, the main downside is cost. A 3-chamber system costs more upfront and needs to be built properly with correct levels, baffles, access covers. But when designed and constructed correctly, it offers much better long-term investment.
Are you looking to build your dream home in Ghana? Or are you building already? Would you benefit from regular site visits to monitor your building and receive regular progress reports? Well, if that's the case, and that's you, look no further. Asher and Gad Consultancy at your service. We offer the following services: electrical design, construction monitoring inspections, site progress reports, consultation for all items MEP, witnessing of testing and commissioning, periodic snagging, vetting of specialist subcontractors. We also report site activities to you to hopefully help you spend your money efficiently and much, much more. Get in contact for your building needs. Details on the screen. Asher and Gad Consultancy, making Africa home again, one family at a time.
So which one should you choose? If you have good soil conditions, a modest household size, a properly designed soakaway, and you are committed to regular maintenance, a 2-chamber septic tank can work fine. But if you want maximum longevity, if soil conditions are uncertain, if water usage will be high, or if this is a long-term or forever home, a 3-chamber septic tank is usually the smarter decision. In many cases, the extra cost of adding a 3rd chamber is far less than the cost of repairing or replacing a failed drain field in the future. I hope you understand that. One of the biggest mistakes I've seen is homeowners copying what their neighbor did. Now, I've warned you about copy and paste in the past. Never copy and paste. Just because a 2-chamber tank worked for your next door does not mean it is right for you, for your land. Your usage or your expectations. Every site is different. Every house size is different, for example. This is not a decision that should be left to assumption or convenience, right? It should be properly discussed before construction starts and not after the problems appear. A septic tank is buried and forgotten, which is exactly why getting it right from the start matters, and it matters a lot. If you found this useful, make sure you're subscribed in the upcoming videos. I'll be covering biodigesters versus septic tank, some common septic failures, and drain field mistakes that builders rarely talk about. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, like, share, subscribe, hype the video. All right, from God is Chemist here, and from me, guys, Yebeshia. See you next time.